Okay, good evening, members, YouTube, wherever you're watching from, good evening, how are we? I don't know if we had a bit of a technical difficulty there to start with, but the stream looks fine, stream looks healthy, looks good, people are loaded in, we are looking good. I'll just load up the chat over here. Howdy, yo, BONK is in the house. Let's go. Speaking of BONK, how is it? Whoa, there it is there. It's number one trending today. So we did mention on the channel that the number one trending, we believe that people pay for the number one trending, and it's always meme coins, it seems to be. I think CoinMarketCap can sell the number one trending spot, but here is BONK. It's up 650% this week. Lovely. Did anyone buy BONK last month, or how about last year? So BONK is up, what is that? Is that 20,000% in a year? Yeah, 20,000% in a year. Lovely. So that's 200x. So that is the power of a meme coin if you get in early enough. But where 99.9999999% of people do it wrong, they do not get in early enough. They buy in now. Oh, did you see BONK? It's up 1,000,000% this week. It's going to go to $1. It's not happening. It's got a $1.3 billion market cap. Paper handed when it launched on BYBIT. See a thing with meme coins, right? So I did a post for members earlier. The thing with meme coins is, see if you're using it as a casino, as a gamble, whatever it is. Like if you're using it as a bit of fun, that's totally fine. Like we get it. It's, let's see if we can get a categories here. Memes. So if you're doing meme coins as a bit of a laugh, a joke, a bit of gambling, it's like playing the bingo or playing the roulette, whatever it is, that's fair. Like whatever you do, I like to bet on football matches or UFC matches or anything. I'll have a bet on things. That's the way I see meme coins. But the way I see investing in real world projects that are solving real world issues, I don't see them as gambling. I don't see them as a casino. I see that as an investment that I'm confident in. I can't say the same with a UFC fight or a football match. I can't say the same. That's a gamble. There's a 50-50 chance I'm going to lose. But in meme coins, there's like a 99% chance you're going to lose. So let's have a look down the list. Mines have all been airdropped, free magic internet money. That is beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. And that's one, that you should look into, maybe we can bring that to members in CC Pro, is free airdrops. So David just said in the chat there that all of his meme coins have been airdropped for free. So what that means is you get sent free tokens to your wallet, random tokens, you get sent them to your wallet for using certain things or being a participant in a blockchain, or participating in anything. There's a lot of different reasons that you can get airdropped, but one of the most famous ones from the last bull run was like Uniswap. So if you use the Uniswap app, they would airdrop you Uni tokens. But in the bull market, I'm sure the free airdrop worked out around, somebody will be able to know the exact number on this, but it was like $8,000 that you got for free airdropped. So, and David's just said there he's made about 3k in total for free. That is amazing. That's powerful. $3,000 for free. Nothing airdropped. That's just sent to you for free. I'm a fan of that. Free airdrops is up there. So let's have a look at meme coins. Let's see the last 7 days. So that's another thing you see as well. So the likes of BONK, when that's pumping, the rest of them dump, and that's just money rotating. So people who buy meme coins are all the same people. It's either the multi-millionaire fat cats who pump and dump these coins, or the people that are investing $50. It's the same people that are investing in these things. So when the big money decides to pump BONK, the big money and all the small money moves out of Pepe, moves out of Flocky. You can just see that there. So BONK is up 93%, all of these are down 20%. And you've got Snake is up 95%. You've got Samo Dea coin, Milady meme coin. There's a reason why we don't speak about them, is because they're an embarrassment. They make me embarrassed to be involved in the space. So we've got Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic 10, Inu, I'm sure that's called. It's embarrassing. It is embarrassing, I'll be honest. And then you've got Vita Inu, Vinu. We've included that in the CC Pro basket, so that's been a nice performer for the basket this week. Is anyone that's watching stream now, is anyone in the basket? Is anyone participating in the basket? I will take you on a journey and show you the basket if you don't know what the basket is. So the basket, we are planning on going from 5k, invest 5k and return 100k. That is the challenge. Where is it? Is anyone in the chat involved in the basket? Yes, here is a basket here. David is in the basket. So we launched the basket 20 weeks ago, so quite a long time ago. Well, that was it coming soon, so say we launched it August, so still a few months ago, but here it is here. So introducing the newest feature of the ever growing list of perks of CC Pro, the CC Pro Portfolio Basket. Launching in 2 weeks' time is the newest feature that will enable CC Pro members to follow along with the basket with just one click. The goal for this basket is to invest $5,000 and turn it into $100,000 over the coming bull run. The basket will be filled with a selection of cryptos and rebalanced over time with the intention of hitting 20x return on investment. CC Pro members will be able to participate in this basket with one click with as little as $10 or $1 million. There's no minimum, no maximum. Back in 2020, 2021, we were able to successfully profit more than 100x from a basket of investments. So a 20x is conservative and more than achievable in the coming bull run. To participate in this, check out CC Pro for more information. Let's go 2023. A few big comments in there, buzzing for this. This is big. A lot of excitement in the chat. So hopefully all of these people have got involved, because How is the basket getting on right now? Let's see if we can see the performance of the basket so far. So not too bad. So the basket launched here in August. Here is the percentage gains. So yeah, a few months of sideways, but then this past few months we've seen a big rally. This was like line wire pumping. So you can see there the value is $4,500 up, 82% profit. Back down again, and then the highest we got the other day was $5,100 profit, 101% profit. So yeah, that was lovely. And also as well, if you notice the basket, I'll just zoom out. So the orange line that you can see on this chart is the price of Bitcoin. So the CC Pro basket has been outperforming Bitcoin, which is good to see. Also as well, we didn't really dip too much below. Like we planned the time of the launch for the basket. In fact, here it's here. Better looking at this here. So yeah, we planned the launch of the basket to be just before Q4, rather than launching the basket earlier, because the market was still in a bear market and in the bottom of a bear market. So yeah, since we launched it, here's the kind of price here, 5k. The lowest we got down to was $50 loss, $100 loss max, and then since then it's been up only, which is, yeah, it's good to see. So far so good on the basket front. So if you are not in the basket and you want involved in the basket, there is ways you can join. If you are a UK viewer, you won't be able to join the basket on BYBIT. So yes, unfortunately for UK viewers of the channel, you will not be able to access the basket with one click. You will still be able to view the basket, choose the assets from inside the basket, but you won't be able to do it with one click. If you're outside the UK, you can still join the basket using one click, which is lovely jubbly. So yeah, if you're interested in joining the basket, it's in CC Pro, which is our members Discord community. That's also a bunch of other things that you get in CC Pro. Updates, chat room, analysis, blah blah blah. Lots in there, lots and lots and lots. So yeah, if you're interested in the basket, you can check that out. It's in CC Pro. There is a link down below where you can check that out. But let's have a look at the prizes. Here is the best performer so far in the basket. It's up 288%. Lovely. Anyway, back to the charts. So currently Bitcoin has done nothing this weekend. It's done nothing the last 7 days, but that is lovely. That is lovely, because what's different about this is that, so over the past kind of year, anytime we pump up, we go sideways or we just drop straight away. As soon as we go up, we just drop straight away again. But we're actually staying. So we've hit a high at 44k, and we're staying up at 44k. We're down at 42k now, but we're still in that level, in that range. So yeah, just look at this chart from a kind of zoomed out perspective. It's pretty insane. Won't load. But yeah, the chart is looking good either way. It's not loading at all now. We're still up at 42k, which is, it's pretty miraculous, to be honest. I would imagine we'd be back down in the 30s a lot sooner than that. But that is what happens when Bitcoin rallies into bull markets or off bottoms. It doesn't allow investors the chance to invest again. It doesn't give you the chance to jump back on the ride, because it just keeps going up. That's why FOMO is so prevalent in crypto, because it moves so fast. So nothing happens for years. Like we go down really fast, and then we're just sideways for almost a couple of years, and then we break out really fast. So yes, but I'm going to jump in the chat quickly and have a look. Also as well, notice we're still in the greed. Not an extreme greed, but we're still in the greed of the fear and greed index. So in the chat, Dick, took your advice and started to DCA into that coin on my 1-to-1, mate. Hope you're good for gains. Good, glad to hear, mate. I'm trying to think I remember what the coin was. So yeah, on the 1-to-1, we discussed the portfolio, we discussed targets. So hopefully now you're crystal clear with your targets and you've started to average into another coin that we discussed, which is good. Yeah. If you, in fact, that it isn't, could a moderator please post the link to the Crypto Glasgow WAP, or else I could maybe post it right now. Let me try right now. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Multitasking. So yeah, that is the link to WAP for any 1-to-1 consultations. We've been really busy with them recently, mainly the in-person 1-to-1s. So in the 1-to-1s in person, we get everything up on the whiteboard, get your targets up in the whiteboard, we get your portfolio up in the whiteboard, and we bash out a plan for you. So yeah, anybody's interested in a 1-to-1, we are now fully booked for this year, but we will be taking bookings for January, later in January. So yeah, if you're interested in that, there is a link in the chat down right below, so check that out. But so yeah, I was just answering that question in the chat. Next, I'm in CC Alpha, but I have been super lazy and not copied the trades. What am I missing out on by not utilising the copy trades? So that is I've just seen there that Don Carrera has posted the marketplace link. The marketplace link is a WAP affiliate link, so WAP get a big tasty cut of that, which we don't want. So yeah, click on the certified crypto link. Yes, so the question there, I'm in CC Alpha, but I've been super lazy and not copied the trades. So in Alpha, the trades are, so Alpha trades, do you mean the Alpha trades or do you mean the copy trading? Because the copy trading is hands off. That's what it was built for. So that, because most of the people that are in Alpha are business owners, they're really busy in their career, whatever it is. So the copy trading takes out the time that you need to allocate to it. So is it the copy trading you mean? You're just saying they're not copied trades. But what have I been missing out on? Check on the Alpha members live stream, because on there Mark goes through all the trades that are being posted, and also as well, so you won't miss out on the trades, because the trades that are posted in Alpha sometimes are longer term trades, so they might be over the course of a few weeks or a few months. Larger swing trades, there is intra trades in there as well, but most of them are longer term trades. But check out the CC Pro Alpha live stream, there is one tomorrow night. Check that out, and drop a comment and Mark will be able to help you with that, because you don't want to be an Alpha and then miss all the Alpha trades. You do want to be getting involved in them. So tune in to Alpha tomorrow and Mark will be able to help you with that. How dare I? Exactly. Giving WAP a cut of our finances. So let's get back to prices. Bitcoin 42k, looking splendid, I'll be honest. That's why I wrote on the caption of this stream, Santa Claus rally incoming. And if you've been paying attention to the streams that we've been doing, shout out Melrose, Scottish rapper. If you've been paying attention to the streams and the coffee and cryptos that Don does, yeah, we've been saying that. So a month ago, Bitcoin to 40k. This is when Bitcoin was 20 odd K, or maybe early 30s. Bitcoin to 40k soon. So yeah, the calls that we've been saying, October, 2 months ago, then we did see October. So if you've been paying attention to the streams, the videos that we do, they are playing out pretty nicely so far, I'll be honest. And then next, BTC to 50k. That's up next. And then on tonight's, we've got a Santa Claus rally next. So yes, the market's looking good. Bitcoin is looking good right now. It is staying high up those levels, currently $42,000. And yes, we do believe that a Santa Claus rally is on the cards next. Also as well, while I'm on the YouTube channel, have you seen the Dubai vlogs that we did? So these were pretty fun. We were in Dubai with Mark, our friend and videographer. He was able to shoot some cool videos for us while we were out in Dubai. So if you've not seen them yet, have a look. Also as well, here is a project that we did 2 months ago, and it did 28x return on investment on launch. So if you watch this video here 2 months ago and yeah, was paying attention, got in on the launch, you made 28x ROI. Nice. No worries, what time is the live stream tomorrow, so I can set a reminder. It's usually around 8 PM, usually around the same time as now, but there will be a update put out in the top table in CC Pro Alpha where yeah, you can join the stream. Also as well, the stream is posted so you can watch it back anytime that suits you. But what I would say is even drop a question into the top table and yeah, Mark or myself will be able to answer it for you on stream. Is there a tutorial video for the copy trading? I've had to go myself, unsure if I'm setting the correct parameters and so on. So there is, I don't know if are you a member, Dylan? If you're a member, there is content in Discord. There is a section actually on copy trading, so if you just go into the copy trading section on Discord, you'll be able to find that. But I did do a BitGet copy trading. Let me see if this will open. I did do a video on it. This was before we launched our own copy trading. I done an experiment. I put $2,000 into BitGet to experiment with copy trading. What happened? Did I make a lot of money? Did I lose it all? Find out in that video. But yeah, there is check out these videos in there. You can see the parameters. But yeah, there is details inside Discord in the copy trading section. I don't know if Mark, if you are here now, if you can maybe say a couple of smaller parameters, but yeah, I'm sure you'll be able just to check it out in Discord for yourself. But I think the key is just set really small lot sizes, like 5%, 10%, whatever it is. Probably 5%, 10% would be too big. And then that's you. Copy trader. That's what I did in those videos that I showed you. That's what I did. Copy traders. But so I'll explain a bit on this. So in fact, I'll just tell you the story right now rather than you need to watch all those videos. So I put $2,000 into BitGet. Then 2 weeks in, I was up $2,000 profit, and then I was up like $4,000 profit. I was up in a lot of profit. I was making over $1,000 a week in profit, which was amazing. But 4-week results, it got wiped out. Click of a finger. 4 or 5k profit I had was at zero. The $2,000 invested initially was at zero. It was all gone. So yeah, this was an experiment to see how it worked, what it was like, to see if it was something that we could offer. So after that, we decided to launch our own, but do it with our own members. And yeah, there is a dark side to it, which we did this video and Mark covers it. This is why you lose copy trading on BitGet. So I experienced firsthand losing money on copy trading, and then Mark launched his copy trading and within CC Pro, and it's going well. It's been going really well for how long it's been going. But Mark was thinking, why is it showing that all these traders on here have got massive like win streaks, they're in massive amounts of profit, but it just seemed, something seemed fishy. So Mark investigated and found out the reason behind why you lose, and it's because their accounts are so big, they've got so much, I don't know the ins and outs, but they've got so much range that their trade can go. If they're trading Bitcoin now at 44k, Bitcoin can drop to $1,000 and they still won't get liquidated. Their liquidation prices are so low. But if you're copying along with them and you don't have a lot in your account, you'll just get wiped out immediately. So it looks like these traders never lose. It's like they've got 99% win streaks, but that's because they basically don't have a liquidation price. Bitcoin needs to go to zero for them to get liquidated. So copy trading on the whole is kind of a scam. It's not, well, yeah, it is kind of a scam, especially with all the large traders. And what the large traders do, which Mark unearthed, is they can remove. So if I copy this big trader, the trade goes down, it wipes me out, but that trader's still in because his liquidation price is almost zero. Like, it's impossible for him to get wiped out, but I'll lose following his trade. So what he does is just delete me. He deletes me as a stat because I'm a loser. So it looks like his account never loses, and it's because there's so much wiggle room in his liquidation prices. So the way we did it is we're doing it with our members. So yeah, we can't be scamming people. It's our own members, so we are doing it with extreme care. So yeah, our copy trading is very different from the copy trading on BitGet. If you're going to do copy trading on BitGet with other traders, because a lot of our members were like, oh, I'm going to follow this person, he's up 20,000% this week, and then they got burned. They lost money immediately. Like, overnight, everyone would lose all their money. So that's why Mark decided to investigate and work out why this is happening, and to tell our members, like, don't go out there and copy everybody because it's all a scam basically. Yeah, we seem to, well, obviously there will be accounts that do manage risk, that do care about other people, but all the large accounts on there is technically scams, and BitGet should address that because it's not good. Excuse me. Yes, so that is that. Let's have a look at TradingView. Let's see how these charts are looking. Right, none of my... So, a big one actually that is super important is this here. So I posted this on Twitter a few months ago, and it's playing out pretty nice so far. So I drew this chart on here years ago. Crypto is bullish below here. This is the DXY, which is the US dollar. It's like the strength of the dollar. That's how you measure the strength of the dollar, using this chart. So in the past with the DXY, anytime it crashes is a crypto bull run. So the last time it crashed was 2017, well, 2016 to 2018. That was when crypto had its bull run to 20k. Then the next time that the DXY crashed was 2020 to 2021. Again, that is when the crypto bull run happened. Then when the DXY pumped, that's when crypto had its huge bear market. Then, when was this? October 2022, down to now, 2023. We are heading down. So crypto, I wrote this years ago, crypto is bullish below here, and we are toying with it now. I marked this out months ago when we were here, saying if we go up, crypto's going to bleed hard. If we go down, crypto's going to the moon. We did go up, but since we've retraced, and now we're back to the major level that if we break below here, crypto is going in a full out explosive, insane bull market. So if there's one chart that you want to look at to see if crypto is going to moon or not, this is the only chart you need to look at, to be honest. Everything else is irrelevant. And if this chart starts pumping, it's over for crypto. If it starts dropping, it's game on for crypto. So yeah, that is the DXY. If you use TradingView, save DXY in there, set out some levels. I'll be able to. So that is. So the last 2 times it is dumped is a crypto bull run. So we need it to dump from here again. That's what we're cheering for. That is what we're cheering for. A huge crash in the DXY. Any requests? Let's have a look at Oculus, Microsoft. This is a coin that I think has the chart looks good on, and it's Shiba, because I think all the silly money is going to pump into BONK and blah blah blah. All the new meme coins, the money will go in there, and everybody who bought Shiba up here is going to buy the new coin that's already pumped. But then the big money, the Wall Street guys, who is the people who move these coins, they're just going to pump this again. And all of the people that bought here aren't going to be involved. They're going to sell down low into the new coin that's already pumped, and then rinse, repeat, and lose. That's all that happens. All the they call it dumb money, that's what they call it. All the daft money, all the retail traders chasing pumps. They'll buy here when it's super high, when everybody's, yeah, Shiba's the best ever. They'll buy it then because it's going to $1. And then when it's down low, they're not interested. But Bonk's pumping, so I'm going to buy that. And then they chase that. And then the next coin will pump, Pepe, whatever it is. And then they'll sell Bonk in a loss and they'll buy Pepe. And it never ever ends. And the retail daft money loses every time. And Wall Street, the big money, wins every time. I always say it, you need to be on the right side. Because 99% of people, 99% of the time are on the wrong side, always. They don't want to buy Bitcoin when it's low because they're scared. And then they buy Bitcoin when it's high because they're excited. Always on the wrong side. When Bitcoin's up here, people are excited and they want to buy it. Because it's going to the moon, let's go. But when it's down at 16k, they're like, oh no, it's going to go even lower. Always on the wrong side. Always. And it's because of emotions. What do you think Opulus will hit in their bull run? So Opulus, I would start taking profits on Opulus above $2, above $1-2. Yeah, above $1-2, which doesn't seem a lot when it's got an all-time high of around $7, but I'm happy with that. I bought Opulus at 4 cents, so yeah, I'll be more than happy with, what's that, like 50x, 60x. I'll take that. I don't need to be greedy on that. I'll be taking profits early. And the reason I can take, the reason I've got the ability to take profits on things at lower prices is because I bought low. I bought in the bear market. I don't need to wait on $8 because I'm FOMOing in at $1. I don't need to do that. When everybody else is starting to buy, that's when I'm selling. I'm out. See ya. I was buying in the bear market when nobody was interested. So I don't need to wait on new all-time highs and wait on XRP going to $500. I don't need that because I was buying as low as you can buy. That's when greed and need sets in. So yeah, $1-2 on Opulus. I'll begin to sell. Doesn't mean I'm not holding more to sell higher, but I will begin to start selling. Why would I not sell 40, 50, 60 times my money? That's just greedy if I don't sell. So yeah, that's that. They're never happy, of course. That's crypto's difficult. It's very difficult. It plays with your emotions. The likes of, let's use Opulus as an example again.